about India. Yes, India. So without wasting any time, let's jump onto the facts. Fact number one. Now, did you know that the concept of cleaning hair using shampoo actually originated in India? Yes. The actual word, shampoo is an English word as we all know, but actual word is champo, that is a Hindi word. So shampoo was derived from champo, and champo itself is derived from a Sanskrit word that is chapayati. So actually origin, you can say that the first word from which shampoo came is chapayati, that is Sanskrit. So Indians were the first to have used shampoo or chapayati in the history of mankind. So now the second fact. Now we have a lot of space agencies around the world. We have ISRO from India, NASA from the US, and European Space Agency. But none of these space agencies were able to find or prove the presence of lunar water, or in other words, water on the moon. But India's ISRO was the first space agency that confirmed the presence of lunar water. And that happened in the year 2008 via Chandrayaan-1. Now moving on to the third fact. Fact number 3. Now we have so many space agencies around the world, as we know. Now all the space agencies send satellites or probes via rocket into space. Now this rocket is sent to space through a launch pad, and the same rocket is brought to the launch pad from some place, because the manufacturing and designing of the rocket takes place in some other place. It's not like it is designed and manufactured right there near the launch pad and it is sent off. No, it's the designing part, the manufacturing happens somewhere else, and later they are moved from one place to another, or from different places to the launching pad, and assembled and sent. Now in order to transport these parts of the rocket, different nations use different methods. Nowadays, I'm talking about nowadays. So it can be transported via trains or planes or different you can say specialized vehicles, especially made for that purpose. But back then, in the year 1963, ISRO tried its hands on to a rocket, to the first rocket of India. Okay, and that rocket, before it could reach the launching pad or sent off, it was transported. Rocket was transported on a bicycle. Yes, India's first rocket was transported on a bicycle, and it took somewhere around 10 days to transport the entire system one by one from one place to another. So rocket on a bicycle, yes, it's a fact. Though today ISRO has achieved a lot, but it had a very humble beginning. So moving on to the fourth fact, fact number 4. Now India has the largest number of vegetarians in the world. That's roughly around 35 to 40% of the total India's population. So if you translate it to actual numbers, it will come around more than 400 to 500 million people. Now that's greater than, you can say that's even more than the entire population of the USA. So in short, India is a vegetarian country. So now let's move on to fact number 5. In today's world, we can find sweet items almost everywhere. Everywhere. Be it Europe, be it Asia, be it Africa, any continent, any country, you will find sweet items, sweet edible items. It can be in the form of juice or cakes or pastries, anything. Now where does this sweetness or the sweet taste come from? It comes from, it is because of the presence of sugar inside it, right? Now common sugar is also referred to as monosaccharides in chemical terms. What we use in our daily life, crystals, these sugar crystals. Sugars in this form, or you can say sugar, was first processed and converted to this form by Indians in India. Yes. So India was the first country, and Indians were the first people who used the sugar for their daily use. And today, as you know, sugar in this form is because of Indians. So guys, I hope that you like this video. I'll be back with another video with 5 amazing facts related to India and other countries as well. So till then, bye bye, take care and have a nice day.